Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. In this video, I'm going to talk about AI LET 2026 examination, whose registrations are going to open from August 7, 2025. Well, dear ones, talking about each and everything which you should know for this particular examination, let's deep dive into it. So, moving ahead and initially talking about what do you mean by AI LET and why it is conducted. So, people, AI LET stands for All India Law Entrance Test and it's conducted by National Law University, Delhi. The purpose is it's a gateway to admission to your law programs. BA LLB Honors 5 years integrated program, LLM 1 year postgraduate program, PhD in law and related fields. So it's kind of a highly competitive and prestigious examination among Indian law entrance exams. Moving ahead, why we need to choose NLU Delhi? Okay. So the one most basic reason is that it is standing at its ranking second best law university in country according to NIRF Law Ranking 2024. That means it is after NLU Bangalore, just after NLU Bangalore. NLU Bangalore stands on first position and the second one is followed by NLU Delhi. Now, it was actually established in the year 2008, having a legacy of near about 17 years, a strong alumni network. Talking about the placement, so median salary in the last three graduating batches, they were 18 LPA, 19 LPA and 14 LPA. Talking about the location, it's actually located in Dwarka, Sector 14, New Delhi, in the national capital. So it is in close proximity to Delhi High Court, Supreme Court of India and various central and UT government offices. So you can have an access to corporate sector in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida. So internships and placement opportunities are really very good. Moving ahead and now talking about how many candidates appeared in AI LET. Talking about for the year 2023, there were near about 15,000 that got increased to 17,000 in the year 2024 and they were then increased to 18,000 in the year 2025. So there is a steady increase in this particular examination. So the competition is actually increasing year on year. Talking about the seats, if I talk about, it's 120 seats. How come? It's 110 seats for the students who actually belong to India. Plus, there are 10 other seats which belongs to OCI and PIO candidates. OCI is basically the overseas citizenship of India, and talking about PIO, person of Indian origin. So those 10 seats are for them, 5 each basically. Now, this is what I need to clear to you people. Candidates per seat in the year 2023. I mean to say for one seat, there were 129 students fighting in the year 2023. But for the year 2025, you can have a look. For one seat, 156 candidates were actually fighting. So you can just have a thought process key what is going to come in the year 2026 and that is what we will be revealing to you after the exam gets over. Fine. Let's move ahead and talk about CLAT versus AILET. Well, CLAT is for 24 NLUs and the affiliated colleges. AILET, it's a National Law University, Delhi. So AILET has been conducted by NLU Delhi and some other laws schools also accept their score. For example, if I talk about BITS Law School, the examinations are going to take place in the month of December. Syllabus and the pattern, they are broadly similar in terms of skills tested. For example, critical thinking, analytical skills, the reading thing. Talking about AILET, it's slightly different in comparison to CLAT. Reason being because in AILET, you are going to get more of questions and less of reading. No doubt in the English section, you are going to get the comprehension based question. But if I just talk about GK and current affairs, over there, you are going to get straight away the MCQs. Talking about the best way is that you need to prepare for both and you need to appear in both the examination. Now, talking about the AILET versus CLAT comparison, I'll just take the 2 years data, 2021 and 2025. Rest you can have a look. In the year 2021, the number of candidates appeared were near about 13,824 and the seats were 70. Okay. AILET success rate was 0.51. Talking about the CLAT, in the year 2021, the number of students appeared were 53,532. Number of seats in CLAT were 2622 and the success rate was 4.90. But if we just talk about for the year 2025, the students appeared got increased 18,717. Number of seats also got increased 110 seats. Okay, over here I haven't mentioned those 10 other seats also, but I think you should have in your mind. Fine. Now talking about the success rates point pipeline, and if I talk about the candidates appeared in the CLAT examination, there were 60,544 for the year 2025. CLAT की कितनी seats increase हो गई हैं? 3,700 seats. I mean to say पहले थी 2,622 in the year 2021, but now they have been increased to 3,700 in the year 2025. Success rate भी increase हुआ है 6.11%. Okay. Let's move ahead and talk about the important dates for AILET 2026 examination. Notification July 22, 2025 को release हो गया था. Application opens on August 7, 2025. Last date to apply will be November 10, so you have ample amount of time to apply for this examination. Admit cards are going to release 10 days before the exam. AILET 2026 की exam date क्या? December 14, 2025. And the result declaration will be after a week basically. Moving ahead, the eligibility criteria for the BA-LLB program 2026, you should have a qualification 10 plus 2 or equivalent from a recognized board. Minimum marks for the general category and 45%, but for SC, ST, PW it's 40%. There is no upper age limit. Now the candidates appearing 12th exam in 2026, they are actually eligible for it. Eligibility criteria for AILET PG 2026, 1 year LLM. So the qualification is you should have LLB degree or the equivalent that has been recognized by Bar Council of India. Minimum marks for general and OBC category 50%, for SC, ST, PWD 45%. Now the candidates that are appearing in LLB final year examination in 2026, they are also eligible. Moving ahead, talking about the registration, as I already talked about, application opens on August 7, 2025. Deadline November 10. Mode online hoga. You need to visit the website nationallawuniversitydelhi.in. Application fee will be 3,500 for the general and OBC category, 1,500 for SC, ST and PWD candidates, but it's exempted for BPL applicants of SC and ST category. NRI or foreign nationals के लिए there are no NRI seats. Remember this particular thing. Foreign nationals, overseas citizenship of India, and or you can say person of Indian origin category में अगर कोई belong करता है, so they are not going to get the admission through AILET, but they are going to get the admissions on the basis of the percentage of marks in the qualifying examination. I mean to say 10 plus 2 or the equivalent examination. Moving ahead, the pattern, if I talk about, so overall the total number of questions is 150 MCQs you are going to get 1 mark each. So total marks 150 marks. Exam duration 2 hours. Legal content के बारे में बात करें तो logical reasoning may include legal principles, but there is no prior legal knowledge to be required for. Yeah, negative marking होगी 1/4, that means 0.25 marks deducted for each wrong answer. Higher score in logical reasoning, if I just talk about the tie breaking rule, अगर 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा students के same number आ जाते हैं, so how we need to break that particular tie. So we'll just think कि भाई किसके सबसे ज़्यादा number है logical reasoning में, अगर same वहाँ पर है, then we'll go with the preference of the older candidate. And then अगर ये भी same है, the last one will be the random draw of lots, as it was there in the CLAT examination. Now AILET का जो syllabus है, question and marks है, 3 subjects are included: English language, current affairs and general knowledge, logical reasoning. So in a way, there is no legal and mathematics, okay, in this particular examination as it is in CLAT. Yes, legal ka kuch portion will be included in logical reasoning only. Number of questions, you can have a look, 50 questions in English. For current affairs and general knowledge, 30 questions. For logical reasoning, 70, or overall of 150 questions. And the marks same, 150 marks. Okay, so as I am talking about English language, there will be 50 MCQs basically. Vocabulary, if I just talk about this syllabus focus area, synonyms, antonyms, analogies, idioms and phrases, one word substitutions. Talking about grammar and usage, subject, verb, agreement, modifiers, articles, pronouns, conjunctions, sentence improvement, fill in the blanks, conditionals, reading comprehensions, passages with question type similar to CLAT examination. Talking about the preparation strategy, if I talk about for the preparation strategy, strengthen the vocabulary with books like Word Power Made Easy and Objective Journal. Practice grammar drills and sentence correction regularly. You need to solve comprehension passages under time pressure to improve the reading speed. Let me talk about the weekly plan for it. Learn and revise 20 new vocabulary words daily. Practice grammar exercise on alternate days. Attempt at least 2 passages per week. Review weak areas using error logs and the mock test. Clear? Now, moving ahead and talking about the current affairs and general knowledge. So, over here, you are going to get the straightforward questions on current affairs. There will be no paragraphs basically. So, in a way, you should actually have a good knowledge. You should read national and international news for about last 12 to 18 months. I think I'm making the points very much clear to you people over here, isn't it? Now, you should also know about some of the government schemes, policies, and the programs. स्टेट स्टैटिक जीके के बारे में यहाँ पर जैसे कि यू शुड गो थॉरो विद द हिस्ट्री पॉलिटी ज्योग्राफी अवार्ड्स एंड एनवायरनमेंट सो यहाँ पर आई एम एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट फॉर द करंट इवेंट्स जैसे कि मैंने अभी बात की रिगार्डिंग द पॉलिटिक्स इकोनॉमी साइंस एंड टेक एनवायरनमेंट स्पोर्ट्स स्पेशली from the past year. Tips to prepare, I just want to give for the GK examination, GK and current affairs. Use monthly compendiums like GK Today, 240 MCQs, and Pratyogita Darpan or Manthan or Lucen's GK. You should read newspapers daily and maintain a current affairs diary. Focus on concise one-liner facts rather than paragraphs. Okay. AILT GK tends to be straightforward. Okay, so you need to revise static GK regularly and pair it with related current affairs to make it more memorable. Let me talk about the weekly plan. Read 1 month's compendium and current events. List out at least 30 to 40 MCQs weekly from GK and current affairs. Take weekly quizzes or flashcards for the retention. And there should be monthly full revision of earlier months. Clear? This is what you need to do. Moving ahead and talking about the logical reasoning. एक ओवरव्यू देना चाहती हूँ देयर विल बी 70 क्वेश्चंस मिक्स ऑफ लॉजिकल एंड लीगल रीजनिंग सो लॉजिकल रीजनिंग कैन बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पजल्स सिलोजिज्म sequences numbers statements and arguments basically talking about the legal principles the questions that are going to come they may have 100 to 200 words paragraph requiring you to apply legal principles basically. Okay, so over here, since I told you already that you are going to have 70 MCQs, and the key topics that I actually talked about in analytical reasoning, let me repeat it again: analogies, series, blood relations, coding, decoding, data arrangements, rankings. So, if I talk about for logical reasoning, syllogism, statements, assumptions, conclusions, Venn diagrams, coded arguments, familiar question types, puzzles, sittings, direction test, number sequence, data sufficiency. Fine. Now talking about the daily study session, you need to start with 15 minutes of vocabulary, learning 10 to 15 new words and reviewing previous one. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने एक बार आपको रीजनिंग के बारे में बता दें, लेकिन अगर मैं आपको डेली स्टडी सेशन के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ तो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट विथ 15 minutes of vocabulary, then move to 20 minutes of current affairs, news or GK, one liner quiz. Next, dedicate 40 minutes to logical reasoning. Pick one topic like coding, decoding, or syllogism. End with 30 minutes of English, a grammar exercise, or 2 reading comprehension passage under timed conditions. Log errors and review at the end. Identify the pattern and revisit weak areas in the next session. Clear? Let's move ahead and talk about the study resources. For English, Word Power Made Easy, Renan Martin. इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कॉम्पोजिशन जीके के लिए लूसेंट जीके मैंने आपको बताया करंट अफेयर्स न्यूज़पेपर्स मंथली मैगजीन्स रीजनिंग के लिए RS अग्रवाल एलसेट प्रेप बुक्स भी आप रेफर कर सकते हैं मोफ ऑफिशियल पेपर्स प्लस टेस्ट सीरीज मूविंग अहेड एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू शुड नो NLU दिल्ली का जो कट ऑफ है और क्या स्कोर आपको उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग चाहिए जनरल कैटेगरी के लिए आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लास्ट क्लोजिंग रन ठीक है. So for general category, the last closing rank was 61 and for the year 2024 it was 62. EWS category के लिए the last closing rank was 200 and in the year 2024 it was 290. The rest you can have a look. So a score of near about, if I just talk about for the general category, a score of near about 100 to 120 depending upon the difficulty level you should score basically. Now AILET 2026 मॉक टेस्ट के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिफोर यू अपीयर फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन सो वी एट Careers 360 provides you the mock test and how you need to access them. The link of it has been given to you in the description box. You need to just click it on the link. You'll be redirected to this particular interface of the page wherein you can have a look on the law ebooks and the sample papers. Herein you can find everything regarding your preparation for AI LET examination. Okay? So you need to just scroll it down, get the things according to your need and practice it. Fine, moving ahead and now talking about, yes, this is what I literally want to show you. अब कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा, मैंने आपको बता भी दिया है कैसे आपको वहाँ पर पहुँचना है. Let's move ahead and talk about the one more important thing, that there are many more examinations that are going to come, like MHCET Law, TS Law Set, AP Law Set, LNET UK, CUET, BA LLB. So we'll be coming up with such more videos so that you can actually have a good and a fair idea about these particular examination. Till the time, take care and bye-bye.